In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade meme coins on Axiom. Whether you're looking for the latest launches or want to browse by network, Axiom makes it easy to get started. But before we begin, make sure you've already created your Axiom account and deposited enough funds into your wallet. Because without sufficient funds, you won't be able to place any trades. Now, let me tell you that there are two simple ways to discover and trade new meme coins on the platform. Number one, and the easiest ways to find meme coins or trade meme coins is through the Pulse section. On the left-hand navigation menu, you will see that these are going to be the hottest and most trending meme coins that you can trade here in Axiom. For example, we have Asteroid, our meme. Just double click on it and you'll be able to trade any meme coin that you wanted. That's one way. Another option is you want to make sure to go to the drop down menu on the center of the screen. You see right now we are on the hood. If it's on Sol, you want to make sure that you are on the hood section because that forwards you to the most trendiest meme coins available in Axiom. The difference between the polls is that in polls, you need to use the filter to make sure that you are getting the latest meme coin. However, if you click the hood, it will automatically give you the best meme coin available in the market right now. And all I have to do now for us to be able to trade meme coins is double click on the meme coin that you chose. For example, the Hour meme coin. And remember, before buying any meme coin, always double check that you have enough funds available in your Axiom wallet, because if your balance is too low, you'll need to deposit additional funds before your order can be executed. And of course, it's a good idea to review the token's liquidity, trading volume, and recent price action, as newly launched meme coins can be extremely volatile. And basically that's it for today's video on how you can trade meme coins on Axiom. You can either use the poll section to discover the newest launches or switch your network on the filter drop-down menu on the top corner from SOL to hood. Keep in mind, always do your own research before investing. Start with an amount you're comfortable risking, and remember that meme coins can experience rapid price swings. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.